chicken zone. Now it's on, now it's on, now it's on.
That's why.
Steady long, steady wrong. Working sideball and out of pocket sugar bing bong. Now get your money, how you get it? Don't slow up, but don't let her spin it up. No. And if you got some green, she gon' smoke it up. Green giant. Haha. I took the bitch and did you switch and switch on a pimp, your honor. She's lying. And she lying and say the phone to play his pimp stick. Nah, take anything from a pimp stick. Hitting tracks, fucking hit letters. From a money devil class with a fuck fetish. And her feet was pretty too, like her three sisters. But what she didn't know was soon they'll turn to blisters. Haha. My gang's still stiff. But tell me, what did I do to you? I say to you to make you think I wasn't a pimp? Come on, tell me something so I don't do it again. You just mad cause you ain't getting no more dick, bitch. Shit, you won't pimp me, won't punk me like you punk him when you punk him, bitch. Now that's a damn shame. She turned 15 dates and that never barely knew my name. And went right back home to you, telling me have you be back for the pussy saying can I stick the head in?
Take a bitch to the whole track and then back. Don't tell me that you're coming till you buy me a sack. I'm making real cheese with money on my back. So let me jump out the gate before a batch. Nigga, but check me out though. My game was so tight, gotta borrow with money from my friends to buy me dodo. Manipulate, not the word. They call me the superb. I was touched with the gifts since the day of birth. Realism. I put that on the potent spirit, and my game is here. Listen. Fuck a fake Mossberg, be the great. The Shepherd Line gang, get down and regulate, nigga. I take a bitch right back to the train. Put her life on number 2 and give a fuck about some get back. Nigga, be I struck up. Baby, lay down with no sounds. Your lips, shut the fuck up now.